Have you ever wondered why your muscles stay sore for days after a workout, even when you're exercising regularly? What if I told you that the difference between slow recovery and fast muscle growth might not be your workout at all, but what's on your plate? Today, I'm about to reveal 5 powerful foods that can help repair damaged muscle fibers, reduce soreness, speed up recovery, and support stronger muscle growth naturally. And here's the surprising part. Some of these foods start helping your muscles recover within hours after you eat them. Most people think muscles grow in the gym, but the truth is, muscles actually grow while you're resting and recovering. Every workout creates tiny tears in your muscle fibers. If your body doesn't get the right nutrients, those tears take longer to heal, leading to fatigue, weakness, and slower progress. By the end of this video, you'll know the top 5 best foods to repair muscle fast and help your body recover like never before. Stay with me, because food number 1 is considered one of the most complete muscle-building foods on the planet. Number 1. Eggs. Most people think of eggs as just a simple breakfast food. But what if I told you that eggs are one of the most powerful foods you can eat for muscle repair and recovery? Every time you exercise, lift weights, run, or participate in any intense physical activity, tiny tears develop in your muscle fibers. This process is completely normal and is actually how muscles become stronger. However, your body needs the right nutrients to repair this damage efficiently, and that's where eggs truly shine. Eggs are considered one of the highest quality protein sources available because they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. These amino acids are the building blocks your muscles use to repair damaged tissue and create new muscle fibers after exercise. One of the most important amino acids found in eggs is leucine, which plays a critical role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, the process responsible for rebuilding and strengthening muscles. Without enough leucine, muscle recovery can be slower and less effective. This is one reason why athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts often include eggs as a regular part of their diet. A single large egg provides approximately 6 grams of high-quality protein, while delivering a wide range of nutrients that support overall recovery and performance. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B12, which helps the body produce energy and supports healthy nerve function. They contain vitamin D, which contributes to muscle strength and function, as well as selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress caused by intense workouts. Choline, another important nutrient found in eggs, supports communication between nerves and muscles, helping your body perform and recover more efficiently. Another advantage of eggs is their versatility and convenience. They can be boiled, scrambled, poached, or added to many meals, making it easy to increase your protein intake throughout the day. Because the protein in eggs is highly digestible and easily absorbed by the body, it provides muscles with the nutrients they need to recover, rebuild, and become stronger after every workout. For anyone looking to reduce soreness, speed up recovery, and support healthy muscle growth naturally, eggs remain one of the best foods you can add to your daily diet. Number 2. Chicken breast. If there's one food that athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness experts consistently rely on for muscle recovery, it's chicken breast. Many people focus only on their workouts when trying to build stronger muscles, but the truth is that recovery is where real muscle growth happens. Every challenging workout places stress on your muscles and creates tiny amounts of damage within the muscle fibers. To repair that damage and come back stronger, your body needs a steady supply of high-quality protein, and chicken breast is one of the best sources available. Chicken breast is packed with lean protein while being naturally low in fat and calories. A 100-gram serving contains around 30 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to support muscle repair and growth. Protein is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks your muscles use to rebuild damaged tissue after exercise. When you consume enough protein from foods like chicken breast, your body has the resources it needs to recover more efficiently and develop stronger muscle fibers over time. Another reason chicken breast is so effective for muscle recovery is its rich nutritional profile. It contains important vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6, niacin, phosphorus, and selenium. Vitamin B6 helps the body metabolize protein more effectively, while niacin supports energy production and helps convert food into usable fuel. Phosphorus contributes to healthy bones and muscle function, and selenium acts as an antioxidant that helps protect cells from exercise-induced stress. One of the biggest advantages of chicken breast is that it provides concentrated protein without excessive saturated fat. This makes it easier to increase protein intake without consuming unnecessary calories. It is also incredibly versatile and can be grilled, baked, roasted, or added to salads, wraps, and rice dishes. Because of its high protein content and recovery-supporting nutrients, chicken breast remains one of the most effective foods for rebuilding damaged muscle fibers, reducing recovery time, supporting strength gains, and helping your body recover faster after intense physical activity. Number 3, salmon. What if there was a food that could help repair damaged muscles while also reducing the soreness and inflammation that often follow a tough workout? That's exactly what makes salmon one of the most powerful foods for muscle recovery. While many protein-rich foods help rebuild muscle tissue, salmon offers an additional advantage because it contains high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that play an important role in reducing inflammation and supporting overall recovery. After intense exercise, your muscles experience tiny tears that trigger an inflammatory response. This process is a normal part of recovery, but excessive inflammation can increase soreness, slow healing, and make it harder to perform at your best during future workouts. The omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon help regulate this response, allowing your muscles to recover more comfortably and efficiently. As a result, many people experience less stiffness and muscle discomfort when they regularly include salmon in their diet. Salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein. A typical serving provides around 20 to 25 grams of protein, supplying your body with the amino acids needed to repair and rebuild damaged muscle fibers. These amino acids help stimulate muscle protein synthesis, the process responsible for creating stronger and healthier muscles after exercise. This combination of protein and healthy fats makes salmon one of the most complete recovery foods available. In addition to protein and omega-3s, salmon contains several important vitamins and minerals that support muscle health. It is rich in vitamin D, which plays a key role in muscle function and strength. It also provides potassium, which helps regulate muscle contractions and maintain proper fluid balance in the body. Selenium and B vitamins found in salmon support energy production and help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by intense physical activity. Another benefit of salmon is that it supports long-term muscle health while promoting overall wellness. Whether grilled, baked, or cooked in a healthy meal, salmon delivers nutrients that help your muscles recover faster, reduce post-workout soreness, improve performance, and support stronger muscle growth over time, making it one of the smartest foods to include in a muscle-building diet. Number 4, Greek yogurt. Many people think of Greek yogurt as just a healthy snack, but it is actually one of the best foods you can eat to support muscle recovery and growth. What makes Greek yogurt so unique is its powerful combination of high-quality protein, essential minerals, and beneficial probiotics. After a workout, your muscles need a steady supply of nutrients to repair damaged fibers and rebuild stronger tissue. Greek yogurt provides exactly what your body needs to speed up this recovery process and support long-term muscle health. One of the biggest advantages of Greek yogurt is that it contains 2 important types of protein: whey and casein. Whey protein is digested quickly and delivers amino acids to your muscles almost immediately after consumption. This makes it highly effective for post-workout recovery when your muscles are ready to absorb nutrients. Casein protein, on the other hand, digests much more slowly, providing a gradual release of amino acids over several hours. This combination gives your muscles both immediate and long-lasting support, helping them recover throughout the day and even while you sleep. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, a mineral that plays a critical role in muscle contractions and overall muscle function. Without adequate calcium, muscles cannot perform efficiently. It also contains potassium, which helps maintain proper fluid balance and supports healthy muscle activity. These nutrients work together to help reduce muscle fatigue and improve recovery after physical activity. Another major benefit of Greek yogurt is its probiotic content. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support digestive health and help your body absorb nutrients more effectively. A healthy digestive system allows your body to make better use of the protein, vitamins, and minerals you consume, which can have a direct impact on muscle recovery and performance. In addition, Greek yogurt is versatile, convenient, and easy to include in a balanced diet. It can be eaten on its own, mixed with fruit, blended into smoothies, or paired with nuts and seeds for an even more nutritious meal. Because of its high protein content, muscle-supporting minerals, and gut-friendly probiotics, Greek yogurt remains one of the most effective foods for reducing recovery time, supporting muscle repair, and helping your body build stronger muscles after every workout. Number 5. Lentils. Many people believe that building and repairing muscle requires eating large amounts of meat, but lentils prove that plant-based foods can also be incredibly effective for muscle recovery. Lentils, commonly known as Daal, are packed with nutrients that help repair damaged muscle tissue, restore energy levels, and support overall strength. They are affordable, easy to prepare, and loaded with protein, making them one of the best foods for anyone looking to improve recovery naturally. When you exercise, your muscles use stored energy and experience small amounts of stress and damage. To recover properly, your body needs protein to rebuild muscle fibers and carbohydrates to restore energy reserves. Lentils provide both of these nutrients in a single food source. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains around 18 grams of protein, supplying the amino acids your muscles need for repair and growth. This makes lentils an excellent option for supporting recovery after workouts and helping your body maintain lean muscle mass. Another reason lentils are so beneficial is their rich mineral content. They contain iron, which plays a vital role in transporting oxygen throughout the body. Muscles need oxygen to perform efficiently and recover properly after exercise. Low iron levels can contribute to fatigue and reduced physical performance, making iron-rich foods like lentils especially valuable for active individuals. Lentils are also a great source of magnesium, a mineral involved in hundreds of bodily functions, including muscle relaxation and recovery. Adequate magnesium intake can help reduce muscle cramps, support healthy muscle function, and promote better recovery after intense training sessions. In addition, lentils provide potassium, which helps maintain proper fluid balance and supports normal muscle contractions. The high fiber content of lentils offers another important advantage. Fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels, providing a steady source of energy throughout the day instead of sudden spikes and crashes. This sustained energy can improve overall recovery and help your body perform more effectively during future workouts. Because lentils combine plant-based protein, complex carbohydrates, fiber, iron, magnesium, and potassium, they provide a powerful nutritional package that supports muscle repair, reduces fatigue, restores energy, and helps build stronger muscles over time.